Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed and you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, so that way that you are made aware each time I upload a new video. So y'all, this is, as you may have already seen by the title, this is a Let's Try This Again UPS and Let's Try This Again Brahmin unboxing. My first particular video of this bag, if you haven't seen it, I am going to link it below because I was quite upset when I received the box and it was smashed, and I said a prayer that my bag would not be smashed or squished or smushed, but God decided otherwise, and it was. So I decided that since I bought a brand new purse and it was not cheap, that I was not going to do any type of rehab on it, and I returned it. So definitely thank you to everyone in the comments. They gave me suggestions on how to reshape it and get the shape back to where it should have been or where it was before it was shipped. But I did contact Brahmin and email them pictures, and they said that had happened maybe only once or twice before with UPS. I did ask if they could use a stronger box, which this time they definitely did. The other box was way too soft, so this one looks like it has a stronger crush tolerance versus the other box. So, but anyway, y'all, I returned it, and they sent me another one. They actually said that they had one on hold for me, and they would do the exchange ASAP. So they sent me a new label. I returned the squished one. They sent me a picture of this one. Sorry about the noise, y'all. They sent me a picture of this one to show me how well it was going to be wrapped and secured to ensure that it was not squished or smushed this time. And I gotta give it to them. They delivered. Because all of this packaging was definitely not in the first box. And like I said, the first box was much softer. So, let's inspect it a little further. They went above and beyond, y'all. Look at all this bubble wrap. Bubble wrap, cardboard backing, front and back. So, Brahmin, I'm going to look at it first before I give you the official. Y'all got it right this time. Let me move this big box out of the way so that I can unwrap this bag and see what I got. Okay. Now that is how you ship a bag that is sensitive, like this Brahmin is. Good job. I definitely have to give them their kudos on this one. I believe they redeemed themselves, y'all. So, Brahmin, I'm not mad at y'all anymore. Y'all definitely made sure that UPS could not have a negative effect on your merchandise again. So this is very good to see. Now, I will say that I wish they would have put it in the bag instead of the cardboard, but hopefully it was not a lot of friction between the cardboard and the bag. I would definitely say that that should have been the case. But let's see how she looks. I don't see any scrubs or anything from the cardboard. This is a different label because I took a picture of the of this before I returned it. I'm like, maybe they're going to straighten it out and send me the same purse back. But this is a different bag. It is pretty tall, so okay. So far, so good, y'all. I feel much better about this one. So I will go ahead and unwrap her. And if y'all did not see the first video, this is a Metamorphosis Marlowe. A Marlowe Metamorphosis Melbourne genuine leather bag. And I did not pay that retail price for it. But that's the retail price for it. And it does come with the longer strap in addition to this top strap here. So now I can carry it, y'all, because I was really contemplating on if I wanted to return it or not, if they had any more, or if I wanted to try to fix the shape myself. And I decided that I was not going to try to do all that for a brand new purse. So I'm glad that I made that decision. And I have another one that is what appears to be perfect condition. And here's a close-up of the strap. I love the colors in this bag and the design as well. The charm's the only thing that I will probably, I don't know if I can relocate it to one of the loops. I will probably try to do that versus having it hanging from the loop over here on the side. But I'm looking forward to carrying this bag, y'all. It is a deep bag. Come on. They got it stuffed to capacity. They said not again. Not on their watch, which I can appreciate. Here's the Brahmin dust bag. I don't even remember all this stuff and being in the first one. So they definitely covered all bases this time. I can appreciate that. It has so much stuff and I pulled the lining out. Trying to make it back. Okay. So that's the inside, y'all. Very deep bag. I'll actually do the measurements this time because I don't believe I did it last time. And this is the registration card inside. And the rest of the registration there as well. And the key keeper or key leash matches the exterior of the bag as well. Okay, it's straight, y'all. The other one, as you would have seen in the video, this side here was completely dented in, like dented for real, dented. And it was all just leaning this way. So I'm glad they made it right. Loving the colors. I'm ready to carry it. I do have the wallet. Do I have it nearby? Or did I take it away? I believe I took it away, y'all. It's in the first video. But the colors are definitely what sold me. I love butterflies. And this definitely has butterflies in it. It's like an abstract art painting on a bag. See, there's a butterfly wing there. You all can see that. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna have to get some accessories to wear with this or carry with this. I have a couple, so we'll see what all I put together when I actually pack it. But I will give you another close-up of it. Again, this is the Marlowe in the Metamorphosis print. And this bag was an exception because it does not have feet. But I thought it was so pretty, and a lot of the Brahmin bags don't have feet, but they are designed. Some of them are designed where the lip of the bag overhangs to where this is not going to touch the table or wherever you place it. This one doesn't have that overhanging lip around, but again, I still made that exception. I'm usually pretty careful with my bags. I definitely don't put them on the ground if I can help it. So I believe this one should be okay. But that's it, y'all. This is the unboxing part 2 of my Marlowe, Brahmin Marlowe. I hope you all enjoyed this video as well, and go back and check out the first video if you like to see what a crushed Marlowe, a Brahmin bag, looks like, and what happens when you put a precious cargo in a soft box and put it in the hands of UPS, which is understandable. I know a lot of time the delivery drivers are in a time crunch and they stack boxes. The box did not even have a fragile sticker or anything on it, so that could have helped. But again, they fixed it this time. It was in a firmer box, and it made it to me safely, and I am happy and looking forward to using it. So you all, thank you again for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I do appreciate it very much. As always, you all, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you all in the next video.